welcome back to BST News. This is Cheshita Reddy from Telangana State. Let's have a quick look on headlines. COVID services were rendered by the COVID warriors of the Bharat Scouts and Guides. Hero level of the Tide Turners Plastic Challenge is coming soon. State level virtual Raja Puraskar testing camp was conducted by Eastern Railway. International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking was observed by the members of the Bharat Scouts and Guides. The state officials of PSG Assam State had a meeting with DGP, Government of Assam for volunteer services of Scouts and Guides. SDRF Assam and Scouts and Guides of BSG Assam organized awareness campaign and mock drill to make people aware of the do's and don'ts during the flood. Cleanliness drive was organized by Scouts and Guides of Mariani district of BSG NF Railway. Storytelling competition was organized by Lumden District Association of BSG NF Railway State. The Scouts and Guides of BSG Manipur State has organized a blood donation camp. North Garo Hills and West Jaintia Hills districts of BSG Meghalaya State organized a COVID-19 awareness campaign. Members of Northern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides welcomed H.E. Sri Ramnath Kovind, President of India, at Charbagh Railway Station, Lucknow. A delegation headed by Sri Narava Prakash Rao, Vice President of Andhra Pradesh State Bharat Scouts and Guides, met Professor V. Krishna Mohan, Registrar Andhra University for promotion of rovering and rangering. News in brief. WAGS News. A core team meeting on Plastic Tide Turners Challenge Hero Level was organized on 27 June 2021. In the meeting, team members agreed to prepare an activity pack for scouts, guides, rovers, rangers, unit leaders and emphasize on a wider publicity for greater impact in the community. A new initiative, Hero Level of the Tide Turners Plastic Challenge, is going to be launched soon by the Bharat Scouts and Guides headquarters. National News. State level virtual Raja Puraskar testing camp for rovers and rangers was organized by Eastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides from 26 to 27 June 2021. Various written and skill tests on pioneering, mapping, first aid, signaling, etc. were taken by the competent examiners under the leadership of Mr. Syed Jahangir Hobib, State Organizing Commissioner Scout. In this testing camp, 57 rovers and rangers were tested by 20 experienced staff members. The International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking is an initiative of United Nations. It is observed annually on 26th June since 1989. This day was observed by the Scouts, Guides, Rovers and Rangers of Raja Ram Mohan Scout Group of Howrah District Association and Domahani Group of Asansol District. The International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking was celebrated by BSG Northeast Region on 26th June 2021. A webinar was organized where Group Captain Jai Kishan, Principal Himalayan Mountaineering Institute, Darjeeling, West Bengal, was present as chief guest, while Dr. Maithili Hazarika, Associate Professor in Clinical Psychology, GMCH, and Mr. Manba Mirthong, Probation Officer Children's Home Moflang, were present as resource speakers. The guests and speakers spoke about the pros and cons of drug addiction. Total 350 attendees attended the webinar. Shri Bhaskar Jyoti Mahanta, Honorable DGP and state officials of BSG Assam discussed about the process of engagement of people in practical field. They also shared their views about the volunteer services provided by the Scouts and Guides. A press meet was held by the Bharat Scouts and Guides Assam State Headquarters for the development of the movement, along with a motive to create awareness among the people about the services that the organization is providing to the society. SDRF and Bharat Scouts and Guides unit of Rabindranath Tagore University, Assam organized an awareness campaign and mock drill to educate the citizens about the precautions and preventions to be taken before, during and after the floods. This sort of awareness campaign and mock drills has been organized in 20 major flood affected places of Hojai district from 11th June to 20th June 2021. The Bharat Scouts and Guides NF Railway Badarpur District Association presented a drama to make people aware the prohibitions of drug on the occasion of International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking on 26 June 2021. The main motive was to create awareness about issues related to drugs and strengthening the action and cooperation in order to make the world free from drugs. Awareness through various social media platforms was also done by the youths of the district.
Hello everyone, we are from the Bharat Scouts and Guides and FLA Badarpur District Association observing the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illegal Trafficking on 26 June 2021.
The International Day of Drug Abuse and Illegal Trafficking is annually observed on 26 June since 1989.
Aim of the celebration was to create awareness among the people about the prohibits of drugs and to influence people say no to drugs.
So today we are going to represent a small drama to create awareness of demerits of consumption of drugs.
NF Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides Mariani District Association organized a cleanliness drive at Mariani main town on 25th June 2021, in which 25 senior scouts, guides, rovers and rangers and unit leaders participated. NF Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides London District Association has organized a virtual storytelling competition among the cubs of the district. Tree plantation was done in the school premises by the guides of Bharat Devgan Government Higher Secondary School, Karora, Chhattisgarh. A mass tree plantation was done by Bharat Scouts and Guides District Association, Raipur, on 28th June 2021 at Government Higher Secondary School, Kauli, Chhattisgarh. Scouted and yoga instructor Sri Ramesh Kumar Bamnia, Sihori district of Rajasthan State Bharat Scouts and Guides were felicitated by the district administration and Nehru Yuva Kendra Sirohi for organizing online yoga classes and celebrating International Yoga Day. Scouts of Government Higher Secondary School, Dodua prepared community awareness projects based on water and biodiversity sustainability. A winning team was given Earthian Award with a certificate by District Collector. The International Anti-Drug Day was celebrated by Rajasthan State Bharat Scouts and Guides District Sikar with various programs in different groups, local associations and district headquarters. Haryana State Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted meeting on OYMS on 30th June 2021. District Education Officer of Sistar District was the chairperson of this meeting. Northern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides welcomed His Excellency Shri Ramnath Kovind Ji, President of India at Charbagh Railway Station, Lucknow, with a team of unit leaders. All the district officials were present on this occasion. Jammu and Kashmir Bharat Scouts and Guides organized online pre-Raja Puraskar preparation camp for Scouts and Guides from 24th to 26th June 2021 at Army Public School BD Bar, Jammu. Jammu and Kashmir Bharat Scouts and Guides District Udhampur organized a poster making competition on the occasion of International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking on 26th June 2021, in which Scouts and Guides participated from various schools. Jammu and Kashmir Bharat Scouts and Guides successfully conducted virtual Pratham and Dvitiya Sofan training program for Scouts, Guides from 28th June to 30th June 2021, in which 25 Scouts and Guides took part actively. North Central Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides organized first virtual training team meet on 27th June 2021. Maharishi District of Tamil Nadu State Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted online Tritiya Sofan camp from 23rd to 25th June 2021, in which 65 Scouts, 45 Guides and 10 unit leaders and 5 staff members participated. Virtual campfire programs on restoration of nature and animals were organized by all the local associations and Raichur District of Bharat Scouts and Guides, Karnataka on 27th June 2021. The programs were inaugurated by various officials at different places. Mr. Basavaraja District Collector Raichur, Shri PGR Sindhya, State Chief Commissioner of Karnataka State Bharat Scouts and Guides and other officials, trainers of various districts were present. Total 290 cubs, bulbuls, scouts, guides, rovers, rangers and unit leaders were present in the program. District Executive Committee meeting of Raichur District of Bharat Scouts and Guides Karnataka was held on 28th June 2021 at District Scout House. Mrs. Aziza Sultan, District Chief Commissioner Raichur, chaired the meeting. The officials and trainers of the district and local association were present in the meeting. A delegation headed by Sri Narava Prakash Rao, Vice President Andhra Pradesh State Scouts and Guides, met Professor V. Krishna Mohan, Registrar Andhra University, in his chamber on 26 June 2021 and presented a memorandum to issue orders to all private and aided degree colleges under his control to establish rover and ranger units. Professor Mohan agreed and, as a token of encouragement, asked to conduct a training program for colleges, male and female lecturers during the month of August 2021. The delegation thanked the registrar for his positive response. Muddabihala Local Association District Vijaypur of Bharat Scouts and Guides Karnataka organized beginners course for primary and secondary teachers on 29th June 2021. COVID news. Danapur Division of East Central Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized an awareness campaign on vaccination drive for the local people on 24th June 2021 at Danapur.
सूचित किया जाता है कि 23 जून 2021 तक एनसी घोष में मेगा वैक्सीनेशन कैंप का कार्यक्रम रखा गया है। अतः आप सभी से अनुरोध है कि जल्द से जल्द अपना एवं अपने परिवारों को कोरोना का टीका दिलवाकर कोरोना को हराने में योगदान दें। टीका लगवाएं, कोरोना भगाएं। कोरोना को हराने में अपना योगदान दें। टीका लगाएं, कोरोना भगवाएं। जय हिंद। कोरोना की वैक्सीन अब ले लो ना।
COVID awareness campaign was organized by Adra District of South Eastern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides on 25th June 2021. They used a banner and poster for creating awareness. The members of Manipur State Bharat Scouts and Guides and COVID-19 Task Force donated blood on 28th June 2021 at JNIMS Hospital Blood and Transfusion Unit, Imphal East, Manipur. The Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides North Garo Hills District organized an awareness program on 25th June 2021 requesting the general public to get vaccinated. Sri Ohivot Lalo, District Secretary West Jaintia Hills District, Meghalaya, and Sri Elvis Dekar, District Organizing Commissioner Scout, organized an awareness program on COVID-19 on 25th June 2021 and distributed masks to the shopkeepers in the Lama Siang Jowai market. Guides rendered service in COVID-19 vaccination center at Government Higher Secondary School, Singarbat, Kankar, Chhattisgarh. Door-to-door awareness was created for COVID-19 vaccination in a village with a slogan writing was done on the walls for awareness by the guides and guide captains of Government Higher Secondary School, Belsonda, Chhattisgarh. Services are being provided at COVID-19 vaccination centers by rovers and rangers of Dadra Nagar Haveli. North Eastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides organized COVID protection cum awareness campaign in all the railway colonies of Izzat Nagar district. On 25th June 2021, a guide group of Hamirpur district of Himachal Pradesh distributed face masks and rendered their services at vaccination centers in local area under the leadership of Ms. Pallavi and Mr. Mukesh Kumar. Himachal Pradesh Bharat Scouts and Guides in collaboration of Red Cross International rendered its services in Shimla on 25th June 2021 to spread awareness on wearing face masks and maintaining social distance. Rovers and Rangers of Hosakote Local Association, Bengaluru, Rural District of Karnataka State Bharat Scouts and Guides rendered their services during free vaccination drive on 24th June 2021, which was organized by Sri MTB Nagaraj, Minister of Sugar and Municipal Administration in association with GFGC Hosakote at the college premises. Around 500 students were vaccinated in the drive. Forthcoming events: 27th Asia Pacific Regional Scout Conference, Taiwan. For details, refer in HQ Circular Number 67/2021, dated 29th May 2021. Global Scouts Kitchen Jamboree 2021. For details, refer NHQ Circular number 72/2021 dated 10th June 2021. The timeline for reporting the project Sankalp 2.0 is extended up to 31st August 2021. For details, refer NHQ Circular number 75/2021 dated 15th June 2021. Fourth online reorientation course for trainers Guide Wing. Last date for online registration is 5th July 2021. For details, refer NHQ Circular number 78/2021 dated 25th June 2021. National Youth Colloquium 2021. Think globally, act locally for Rovers and Rangers from 11th to 13th August 2021. For details, refer NHQ Circular number 79/2021 dated 30th June 2021. Webinar on advancement of youth is going to be organized very soon. Watch this space for more updates. This is all for today's news. Get vaccinated on your turn. This is Jayashita Reddy from Telangana State signing off. Thank you.